Even after all these years, I suppose I can still have that effect on someone. That was my dad, Kenny said. You scared him good. Scared him? Goodness, was my rhyme that bad? The dragon asked. I don't think you understand your situation, Kenny sighed. You're considered a devil and a scourge to society, just like it's said in that book. Folks usually want to hunt you down. The dragon put a claw over his mouth and let out a smoky snicker. Hunt me? For what? Improper etiquette? They are the ones writing horribly inaccurate dragon facts in their books. It should be me who's hunting them down. Here's a picture of the dragon putting his claw over his mouth and laughing about that. Um, but you don't. Kenneth! The call rang out from across the pasture from the direction of the farm. That's my mom. I gotta go, or they'll be worried. Besides, I gotta get ready for bed, Kenny said as he grabbed his lantern. Can I get my book back, Dragon? Gram, the dragon replied. My name is Gram, just like the cracker, except with an E at the end. And it was great chatting with you, Kenny. Well, Kenneth. Everybody calls me Kenny. Well, Kenny, the dragon said as he handed over the makeshift lance and shield, do come up again and bring your folks. In fact, let's do dinner tomorrow night. You bring the food and I'll supply the entertainment. Is your mom a good cook? Tell her I have a ravenous appetite for souffle, glazed carrots, mashed potatoes, and of course, creme brulee. Oh, okay, I'll ask, Kenny said. And the book? Oh, please let me give it a read tonight. How I love good fiction. With that, Kenny dashed back down the hill and hopped onto his bike. Excited, he pedaled toward his house. He couldn't wait to tell his parents how curious, how interesting the dragon, whose name happened to be Graham, truly was. See you for chapter 4.